Hi, I'm Keith, a technician at USACLEAN, and this is a 1610 battery-powered carpet extractor, commonly used for everyday cleaning or carpet restoration. In this video series, we're going to show you how to repair basic common issues you may run into with your machine. To replace the belt, it's the same step, bottom one, and then back up on the top. Start it on one side, get tension, and slowly feed it back on to the brush pulley. You got to make sure that the brush belt is in line with the grooves and your pulleys. And next, all you want to do now is take your motor, pull it up as high as you can possibly get it. Tighten back down the motor bolts. Now you can make sure that your belt has got plenty of tension. Go ahead and bring the bolt back up to the motor so that it stays in place. Now bring your nut back down to the deck. That assures that that bolt will not move. Next thing all you got to do, replace your brush cover, belt cover. Line it up. Screw your brush cover bolts back in. Now be sure not to over tighten these, as this is plastic, and if you over tighten, you can crack or go through with the bolts. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions for any videos you'd like to see on floor cleaning equipment, feel free to leave a comment below or visit us on our website at USACLEAN.com, where you can also purchase parts and equipment online. From all of us here at USACLEAN, thanks for watching.